Aging dogs face cognitive decline similar to humans, but a study reveals that playtime and social activities can preserve brain function, especially in the hippocampus. These activities led to increased hippocampal volume, countering age-related decline. The research, conducted on middle-aged beagles, suggests that behavioral enrichment, such as exercise and socialization, plays a crucial role in maintaining cognitive health. This underscores the importance of engaging aging dogs in stimulating activities to enhance their overall well-being and potentially prolong their lifespan.